Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be planning 1 year of blog and social media content for my business, Career Mom Community. Now in this video, I'm not going to share too heavily around the videos for YouTube that I plan to create in 2022, just because I am a little more fluid when it comes to creating my YouTube videos. But I do want to walk you all through how I plan and generate ideas for my blog and my social media pages. But first things first, if you're new to my channel, hey, welcome. My name is Coach D, and I love all things planning. Here on my channel, I share pieces of my life with the hope of helping you to balance, grow, and succeed in yours. So let's get into today's video. I have my setup. This is the same setup that I've used in my past 2 videos. So let's recap really quick. If you watched the first video, in that video, I did my strategic plan for Career Mom Community, and I walked you through the 3 questions that I like to ask myself from a strategy standpoint. Where am I coming from? Where am I going to? And how am I going to get there? So in that video, I talked about my metrics from prior years and some of the growth goals that I have for 2022. In the second video, I talked a bit about how I planned for my launches. So it was more centered around my launch strategy for some of the courses that I outlined on this poster board. I created this poster board with just grids to represent the months of the year. And at the top, I captured my revenue generating goals. And this is strictly for revenue generation. Now, in today's video, I'm going to share with you how I plan 1 year, 12 months, 1 year of social media and blog content. So let's get into the video. If you are a blogger, if you are a social media content creator, if you are a YouTuber, I'd love to connect with you if you need help with your strategic plan, whether it's for 2022, a specific month or quarter. Head down to careermomcommunity.com/coaching and see what types of coaching services I offer. The next step that we're going to do is add a theme to each month. So I went ahead and wrote theme. So I'll let you go catch up on the previous videos after you watch this one if you want to know what's already on these sticky notes. But each month, so for example, January is going to have a theme and so on and so forth. The theme is going to carry through between my blog, between my Facebook page, my Instagram page, Twitter, and things of that nature. Now, just because I create a theme for the month, it doesn't mean I don't or I can't post spontaneously. So if I get an idea, or I think of something novel, maybe something is trending, I can go in and add that to my content lineup with ease. But this gives me a roadmap and a bit more structure to carry me through the year. Some pre-work that I've already done in this planner. This is my Arrivista Planner. I talked about this planner in each of the videos thus far. I do have a discount code where you can save 10% on this planner if you're still looking for a 2022 planner. I will leave a link to the flip through video in the description box if you are interested in checking this out. But I use this planner for my business. Previously, I had the Happy Planner, but having 2 planners, one planner for content, one planner for like business operations, got to be a little too much. So I scaled back just because I had so much going on, and I'm doing everything in this Arrivista Planner. I've already gone through my vision statement. I talked about that in the first video. I've already gone through kind of the idea dump and some of the metrics and kind of my growth goal. So if you've been watching all of the videos so far, leave me a comment and say, hey, I've been rocking with you over the past few videos. Now, today, I'm going to share one of the things I did last night, and it was pretty simple. I sat down in my son's room. He was watching TV, and I decided to go in and look at National Today. Why did I look at National Today? Because it's a great repository of all of the national holidays or just the fun and quirky days of the year that social media observes, the world observes, we observe. So it has everything from, what are some of the days? It has everything from International Mind, Body, and Wellness Day to National Vision Board Day. And I went through in this planner, you'll see here, and on the days, I went ahead and captured some of the days. So this is January 10th is National Clean Your Desk Day. My blog is for working mothers, so that makes sense, right? So when I'm going through the national holidays, I look for ones that make sense for my brand. I've shared that in a previous video, but it's absolutely essential. I don't want to capture a day that's totally random and it confuses my audience. I want to provide tips and add value. And these are just fun ways to kind of get in on something that may be fun and novel and add your content to it, just so that you can keep the audience engaged. Next is National Human Trafficking Awareness Day. Again, my audience is mothers, and it's important for us as moms to understand safety when it comes to our children and safety for ourselves. Thursday, the 13th of January, is National Sticker Day, and on my channel, I love all things planning. That includes planner stickers. So I can share some content around my favorite sticker shop, how to use planner stickers to help you organize. Then on January 14th is Organize Your Home Day. Again, perfect for my audience to just kind of capitalize or leverage some of these days to enhance my content or add a unique spin to it. Okay, and then I captured, this is already done for my strategic plan, but here at the bottom of just this January Jots page is a free writing page. I captured the national todays for the month. So January is Financial Wellness Month, Get Organized Month, International Creativity Month, and so much more. So I went through once again and figured out what's going to make sense for my audience for me to leverage to write content around. So if you're struggling to find some ideas for content, I encourage you to check out that site or hit subscribe to my channel, because I will share monthly Plan With Me videos around my social media content, blog, and YouTube. I did the same for February. I think I only captured Black History Month for February. For March, International Women's Month, Women's History Month, Poison Prevention. April, Financial Literacy Month. I'm big on budget planning. That's a lot of my content here on YouTube. So I'm pretty sure April will be heavy on the budget planning content. May, Teacher Appreciation. Asian American Pacific Islander Heritage Month. I hope I said the acronym correct, AAPI. The same, so forth for July. Family Reunion Month, talking about family, so forth. I'm not going to go through them all because I don't want to miss any day that may be important to you. But if you have a national holiday that you celebrate, leave me a comment and let me know as well, because they are all important and they're important to our audiences. So that's how I use this planner to go through and create the 1 year of content ideas. Now, I know you're probably thinking, am I going to go sit down and write the content scripts for 1 year? Probably not. So as I've been going through my ideation and brain dump sessions here lately, I do have a Google Doc where I will go in, and when I have a spark of genius, I'll go in and write the copy, or I'll write the quote, I'll write the content, the idea, the blurb, and things of that nature. So I don't go into the details of writing out the full script, but what I will do is go in and capture the days in the specific day or in the specific month. So January is already done for me. I'll probably sit down and go through February, because that brings me to my board. So in addition to the content that I'm going to get inspiration for from the national days, I want to keep my content in sync with my launches. So I offer courses. The course that I'm offering in January is the Plan and Prosper course, and that's on January 25th. I'll leave that link in the description box as well. So my content for the month of January is around planning. So it's going to be around planning, time management, and organization, because one of the themes for January is National Organization Month. So I'll capture that here. So this will be planning, time management, and organization. The same for February. February is my birthday month. Happy birthday to me in February. So the theme for February will be celebration, and the theme is also going to be prosper, because I have a new notebook that I'm trying to release in February. Y'all pray for me. that goes along with my deluxe journal or notebook collection, and it will be the Prosper collection. So that will be a part of the theme for February. March, I have a budget webinar and a budget course that will launch. So March will be around budgeting, as will April, because it is financial literacy month. For May, the course that I'm offering will be around like career content, working mothers. So that will be heavy in May. In June, it'll be more about self-care. In July, I want to do more travel planning, travel tips at the start of the month, and then kind of share my experiences with you all in the end of the month. August, again, it'll be back to Plan and Prosper because it's back to school time for my audience. September is really going to be heavy on business, as will October. It'll be heavy on business for the theme. I'll break that out into the specifics. November will be getting ready for the holidays, holiday self-care. I did some blogs on careermomcommunity.com around holiday self-care, and I feel like that went over well. And then December will be getting ready for 2023, so going into the new year. So can you see the thought process here? It is super, super simple. If you've not done your planning for 12 months for your blog and for your social media content, I encourage you to get a poster board, get a sticky note, get a planner, get a notebook, whatever it may be, get an appointment on my calendar to go through your strategic plan. But this is so exciting for me. I love planning. I love strategy. I love budgeting. So this makes sense. This is my wheelhouse. The last thing, when it comes to my blog will follow suit with the themes for the month, and it'll follow suit with the themes from National Today. So it'll all work cohesively together so that my brand is in sync and it's the same message across all of my platforms. I hope that you found this video helpful. Give it a thumbs up. Also hit subscribe. I would love to welcome you to my YouTube family. Happy planning.